Hi guys, suppose you're in a situation where you have to eat a frog for every day, then what time would you be eating that frog? Brian Tracy in his book Eat That Frog talks about exactly that. According to Brian Tracy, the best time to eat a frog is in the beginning of the day because you can spend the rest of the day tension free. You might be wondering why frogs, right? Wait, hear me out. By frogs, he means the most important and difficult task. And the reason why he selected the morning is that because at the morning we have the maximum willpower to do stuff. So that is why he says that we have to do this in the morning. So when we finish an important task, we feel relaxed. Have you ever wondered why? It is due to the fact that there's a thing called endorphin that is released in our brain whenever we do something strenuous. So it makes us feel relaxed. So about this book, the book contains 21 steps on how to stop procrastination, but of the 21 steps, a lot of them are basic steps. So don't think it will add much value if I talk about all the steps. So instead I will be talking about just the one or three principles which I find most important. The first one is setting the table. Setting the table is laying the foundation work. So what happens most of the time is that we lack clarity to do stuff, so we end up not knowing what to do next. So this book contains a 7-step procedure that we have to follow when we have to accomplish our goals. The 7 steps are: first, decide what you want. You should first figure out what you want in life. The second point is think on paper. The striking fact is that only 3% of the people in the entire world write everything that comes into their mind. So that is why only 3% of the people living in this world are successful as well. The third step is making a deadline. When you make a deadline, you're giving a timeline for yourself, so you will be motivated to finish it within that time. The fourth one is make a list, and the fifth one is organize the list, and the sixth step is take action on the above 2 steps. And the seventh and the last step is do things that bring you closer to your own goals. Just don't do things just for the sake of it. Only do things that will help you achieve your ultimate goal. The next principle is the 6P formula, and it is the most important formula for time management. It is proper prior planning prevents poor performance. If we plan everything in advance, there are more chances of us completing the task than if we did not plan in the first place. In order to achieve the 6 P's, we have to form 4 lists according to Brian Tracy.
First list,
No, not that master. The master list is just the list of the most life important goals that you have to achieve. There may be like 2 or 3 goals that you have to achieve in your long run. The next list is the monthly list. The monthly list will be linked with your master list. At least one item in your monthly list should help you achieve at least an item in your master list, and that is how the entire process works. And the third list is the weekly list. Similarly, just at least one item in your weekly list should be linked to your monthly list. And similarly, there's another list called the daily list, and at least one item in the daily list should be linked to your weekly list. During school time, we have all studied A, B, C, D, E, but according to Brian Tracy, the A, B, C, D, E is quite different, and he gives meaning to each letter. A being the most important task, one which has the most important consequences, failing which might be difficult for us, and B being the important task but those tasks which have just medium consequences, means those tasks cannot be avoided but it's not as important as the A category task. And the C category task is good to do but it has no consequences if you don't fail to do it. And the D category tasks are the work that can be delegated to your juniors, that is, it does not require your time at all. And the E category tasks are those tasks that can be avoided, that is, it does not even have to be delegated in the first place. The author Brian Tracy says that we have to give our most important attention to the A category tasks, that is, they are our frogs and we should eat them. So do try out these principles. Also do let me know in the comments how the video was and how, if any improvements are to be made. I am glad to receive your feedbacks, and this is the first time I'm doing such a thing even in English. So hey, if you like the video, do give it a big thumbs up and do like, share and subscribe this channel. And if you're watching this on IGTV, do follow the Strategic Nerd channel. And thank you.